Hello everyone! Today we are going to demonstrate how to splice 10 pieces of LC60F LED Poster P1.25 into a large screen. This video will show you the complete splicing process step by step. First of all, let's splice these 10 poster screens into one large screen. Connect the power cable, network cable, and the antenna of the player properly. For seamless splicing, we need to use an external video processor. Based on the screen resolution, we will recommend different models of the video processor. And today, the device we use is Novastar H2. Next, we will show you how to connect the cables. Step 1. Power on the video processor. Step 2. Connect the computer and the video processor with an HDMI cable. Step 3. Press the power button to start the device. Step 4. Connect the computer and the video processor with an Ethernet cable to enable computer control of the video processor. Step 5. Unplug the short network cable to exit the asynchronous mode. Step 6. Connect the video processor and LED poster with an Ethernet cable. It should be noted that for P1.25 LED poster, each LED poster needs to use 2 network ports and 2 network cables to ensure stable signal transmission. This is because each network port can load up to 650,000 pixels, but the resolution of a single P1.25 LED poster exceeds the load capacity. Finally, after splicing all the LED posters into a large screen, we need to make a screen mapping file in the Nova LCT software. Set the IP of the computer. Open software Nova LCT. Click User Login. Password is 666. Click Screen Configuration. Read back. Make the mapping file. Input the IP of the device on the website. Account admin, password admin. Drag out 1 and out 2 to screen 1. Click Save. Drag input 1 to screen 1. Following these steps, you can easily splice the posters into a large screen for use. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.